What's up? What you need to talk about? What's up with you? Put my number in here? Why you need my number? A video? A video? You want a video? Is this my damn video? That's the fuck it is, nigga. I see the recording button, motherfucker, and I see a motherfucker recording me. So what you want? Tell me what you want, nigga. Like, ha, motherfucker, tell me what you want. You want my number? Why you can't speak up?
What was he doing?
I know.
Wait, what was he doing? What was he doing?
So what do you want?
He recording us.
Speak the. Why you can't talk? Why you can't talk? I never did it.
Do something else.
You gotta ask for a number, bro. You can't talk. You can't say shit, though. You gotta do hand motions or whatever you gotta do, but you can't say nothing out your mouth. You going, bro?
That shit is gonna be awkward as fuck, though.
That's how it's supposed to be, bro.
Nah, I can't do it.
You can't do it. You gonna chicken on me like that, bro?
I can't do that.
You'll do it.
Oh look! I knew y'all just.
You'll do it. You gonna do it.
Do what?
You get another. Go to get a nigga number, but you can't say shit though.
A nigga number?
You gotta get his number though, but you can't. Yeah, you gotta be like that.
She gonna reject me, bro.
All right, bet. Better take this with you.
I don't know who to go to. Who you want to go to? Let's go over there to the family. This man right here. What are you? Hey, can I get your number? You can't say nothing.
What's your phone?
Ask him.
I did.
You not supposed to ask him verbally, nigga. Just check out the video. To somebody else.
He got a girlfriend.
He didn't say that shit.
Yeah, he did.
She asked him. What the mess? I said,
This girl really asked for the number, bro. You ain't supposed to talk though. Stupid ass.
There you go.
thank you, love.
keep it.
Mike, my sister. Not my sister. What?
Wow.
What you say?
Our free time is free time. It's over.
Ready? 1, 2. I've been searching,
Listen, bro. This is what we doing, bro. Y'all gotta go around and get a girl phone number, but you can't say shit.
How the fuck that gonna work? That's easy.
You can't say shit. Nothing come out your mouth. You gotta do hand motions or whatever you gotta do. You can't say shit.
It's easy.
That's easy, bro?
Yeah.
Is it really easy?
It ain't that easy, bro.
I got you, hold up.
Is it really easy, though?
You better be like, what's up?
No. Hey, you gotta use the mic.
The mic, I got you, I got you. Who? Over here, alright, let me. What? What we doing? Let me be in it.
Hey.
No, hold up. Hold up, wait.
Hello, it's Nayera.
What the fuck are y'all doing?
You recording? Yes, you is.
No.
And why you type like what? Okay. What?
They recording, they want your number. If you do that shit, I'm gonna divorce you. That shit simple.
Yes, sir.
That shit simple.
I do this, nigga.
That shit simple.
I do this. Why, put my name in?
Good, don't you?
Nah. She don't know how to fucking draw. Her ugly ass.
Shut your bitch ass up.
She likes to,
I'm sick y'all getting off like that. Duncan is confidence high.
stop playing, man. Damn, KJ. I was trying to crack up.
Okay, thank you. It was just for the video.
No, she gave
You
me a
want
wrong
a number,
number. Yeah,
That's the right number, bro. She gave it to you for real.
on my phone.
Yes, bro. Let me get That's the right number, bro. I kid you not. Robin really put that number in. Tell me no hard question, bro.
Okay, what?
I just want to know what you would do right now if you were on the Cane Ridge football team, bro. Let me know, bro.
I just want to show the coaches, hey, coach, that I'm tough.
You tough.
I ain't scared of nothing.
You ain't scared of shit.
I got skills.
Skills.
All things are possible if you believe in yourself.
On God.
You can do anything else, but if you believe. And trust me, he's gonna love me.
He gonna love you.
Yeah, no
Why you
matter
ain't on the
what.
field right now then? Since he gonna show you, you trying to show you his skills. You got next year, don't you?
Don't say shit. Don't say shit. The reason why I left is because of
He stole the coach hat.
Shut the fuck!
He stole the coach hat and he got caught.
Damn! You fuck up the whole rotation. Damn!
The rotation.
The rotation, bro. Y'all smoking up there?
Coach put his hat on the ground and King don't snatch that bitch and ran and he got caught. And he had to get off the table.
Stop begging on the table, nigga. That nigga pissed me the fuck off. I should slap the fuck out of you. Damn. Shit. So anyway,
You want to slap him?
Finish the story.
finish the story.
Finish your story, bro. Tell me, bro. I heard you the best basketball player in here too, bro. I
Yeah.
heard you say you NBA ready, bro.
Yo,
I could have sworn I interviewed you
if I
last
believe
time
in
you said
myself,
NBA ready.
yup. Fuck LeBron. James Harden, I don't know about him, but fuck him too. Fuck Steph Curry.
You
Fuck
can guard all them niggas.
I can lock up LeBron.
Yes.
I can lock up Curry.
Uh-huh.
I can lock up KD. And I also can lock up Anthony Davis. I can lock up anybody on the court.
On what? What you put that on? That you
On
can-
AV1, I'll put that $50 on it.
On $50.
$50.
You was spank them niggas.
Yes. I told you.
None of them niggas can guard you, bro.
No. Nobody can.
Why you don't hoop for the school, bro, since you so cold, bro? You supposed to be the #1 athlete in the state of Tennessee.
The reason why I'm not playing for the team is because of one, I got no transportation.
No transportation. So only thing holding you back from hooping right now is a car. No transportation, no nothing.
Yup, no transportation.
If you had it, you'd be the coldest nigga in the state of Tennessee.
Exactly. But guess what?
I believe you would be too. I believe it.
Yeah. I got no transportation. So, yeah.
What position you would be playing?
Oh, guard, center, small forward, power forward, anything. All things are possible if you believe in yourself. Just remember that all things are possible if you believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, hey, it won't be no problems. But hey, I'm not gonna lie, I used to be scared, but now I'm not because I got faith in me.
I feel that. So you gotta have faith in anything you want to do.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
I feel that, bro. God, I feel that.
Don't let niggas gas your head up like you can't do stuff, but they can do it by themselves.
Facts, bro.
So
it's facts, bro. I ain't gonna hold you right there, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, I feel that you could be the #1 player in the state too, bro. You got a nice frame on you, bro. Heights. I bet you got a lot of skill. You probably the coldest nigga that can't. Brandon Miller probably can't even guard your ass.
I mean, yeah. Yup. You really can't.
Can you guard Brandon Miller though?
Yep. I can guard Brandon Miller. If I believe in myself, yeah. I don't care.
That 5-star ain't shit to you.
I don't.
The 5 stars don't mean shit to you above his name.
I don't care if you 6'8" or 6'10". I'll win your ass over, no matter what.
Ooh.
No matter what.
I'm gonna make sure Brandon Miller see this video.
Oh, do that.
Yes, sir.
What corner is he saying now?
He's saying, I don't care about Brandon Miller. He said, I'll lock his ass up. I don't care if he's 6'8", 6'10".
He said he don't give a fuck about them 5 stars. He said
I'm saying, King Dog, you can lock it.
So, hey, that's King Dizzle. So,
wait, let me say, if you're a coach on a football team, hold your hats. They're gonna steal them.
Hey, I did that one time, but now
you a changed man now.
Yep.
You don't steal them.
Nah.
They don't see that though.
I wasn't gonna steal him.
I wasn't gonna steal him. He was just gonna steal these socks.
I wasn't gonna steal him. Hey, but you know that's how the game goes.
Hey. KB, the motherfucking GOAT. Period.
Every time that it was drama, we bought sticks, nigga. I came up from apartment, seen 6 figures. Now I walk around like I'm the shit, nigga. They thought I would be nothing, now I'm way bigger.